My name is Jotiram Jagtap, Director in Lubrall Industries Pvt Limited. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We are into industrial lubricant manufacturing field. Our product portfolio is metalworking fluid, which is used in CNC, VMC, HMC at machining process, and other product range is neat cutting oil, which is used in gear hopping, gear cutting, and heavy metal cutting applications. Metal forming oil also we are manufacturing. Then we have rust preventive oils range, which is used for export the automotive components in various countries. Then we have drawing and stamping oil, which is used in stamping and punching applications. Then we have also carrier fluid for MPI machining, MPI testing applications. Then we have products, rust removing solutions, quenching oil, engine oil for automotive and industrial segment. Founded in 2015. We have two plants. One plant is in Chakan and second plant also in Daman. We have our corporate office in Pimpri Chinchwad, Pune.